guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. My name is Rynie Mac, and today I am changing my room around here into a studio, and we bring y'all along with me because I think y'all should see the process of this and see how I do it, because last time I only showed y'all the lights and then it was like shaboom bam, my room was like spectacular. So I'm gonna show y'all how I did it this time, each process, you know, step by step. I'm gonna show you the before and after. This is fully before, nothing new is in here. It's completely exactly what I'm changing because I don't like it. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm working with. It's really not that bad. This is my room that I lived in majority of my life, but I took all my stuff and it just looks like I took all my stuff. So this is my room. From the corner by the door, this is the door. This is the door. I have my TV. I had another, well, this was originally my TV, but I switched it to this one because basically this TV, it gets hot when it's on for too long, so I had to bring this one in here. So yeah, that's why it's two TVs in here. But I only use one of them at a time. I'm not in here just using two TVs, like, no. This over here is the closet. Changing the bed to a smaller size. I'm making my studio over here where I'm gonna be making my wigs. That's gonna be over there. And I'm gonna be doing the nails over here. So this is coming out too. Y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see how I'm doing. Everything in here is gonna be completely different. So I'm gonna give y'all the looks of everything. I got my waist trainer on. I got my waist trainer on. I got this one from Santana Styles. My friend Tatiana sells waist trainers. Link in the description below where you could get the waist trainers. She ships them, so you could get them anywhere. But she is based in New York City, so if you want to pick it up, you can. Oh, almost fell. I like this little puff for right now. Yeah, see, I'm natural on a daily basis. Okay, so I don't know why I just sat down and talked to y'all again, because I'm about to clean, and y'all just gonna have to watch me, right? You're gonna watch me clean. You're gonna watch me get prepared to paint, and yeah, we're gonna see you the next time we speak again. To wrap my hair up because honestly my hair is gonna get messy, and yeah, so give me a second. I gotta put gloves on. I want to put music on, so y'all gonna have to give me a second. And I'm not even looking at y'all, I'm looking at myself. Let me look at y'all. Y'all. Because I'm not even playing. If it gets paint in my hair, I'm gonna be mad. But it's coming out nice. I'm over here leaning my head next to this wall. Just know this is a lot. This is not easy at all. tuned for part 2, because in part 2 I will be doing the floors and I will be showing you guys how the paint came out. Comment down below and let me know how you think it came out. Like this video if you learned something, and subscribe if you want to see me again. See you in the next one.